Look at the mud that is coming out of this carpet. There's full restoration, deep, super clean on this commercial grade smooth down carpet. As you can see, literally mud is coming out. Give the expert a call. Thank you. Good morning, this is Moshe, Los Angeles Carpet Cleaning Experts. Today we're doing a full restoration cleaning on this damaged carpet. As you can see, it's in really bad condition in all areas. We're going to come back shortly with the after results. This is a glued down commercial grade carpet. You're going to see the after results. Thank you. Hello, this is Moshe, Los Angeles Carpet Cleaning Experts, and this is the after results. As you could see, completely restored carpet, brand new in all areas. Be sure to follow me on my Facebook fan page. Over 90 videos showing my work. Give the expert a call. Thank you.